All right, class, welcome. Happy Wednesday. Today we're going to continue with cubes. Remember that yesterday, all we did was the cube minus the S. So C for circle the numbers, U for underline the question, B for box important words such as off, tip, of, that sort of thing. E as in eliminate anything that doesn't matter, such as Sarah went to the store. That doesn't matter. It's not math. It doesn't matter. And then S for solve. Now today we're doing everything plus the solve. So, question one, a video game costs $60. Circle that. You have a coupon worth $20, 20%. How much money is a coupon worth? So it's important to underline this because how much money is the coupon worth? What they're asking for is the 20%. And now of, that means multiplication, right? Of means multiply. I know that's not immediately obvious, but that's why we practice. Because you get the hang of it over time. All right, and then eliminate anything that doesn't matter. Okay, so they've got $60 times the 20% as a decimal equals what? All right. Coupon is worth 20%, so that's what we're trying to find out. It's how much coupon is worth. So we're going to do 60 times 0.2, and we have $12. So the coupon is going to take off $12, but it didn't ask for the final price. It just asked for how much the coupon is worth. So that's why we stopped there. And that's why it's very important to find out what the question's actually asking for. All right, question two, a school fundraiser raises $400, 25%. Ooh, it's tricky that they used words, but it's still technically a number. Of the money, remember we boxed that, is donated to charity. How much is donated? And get rid of everything else. Remember, of means multiplication. So we've got 400 times 25% to find out how much is donated. So it's the exact same as question one, basically. So we've got 400 times 0.25 for 25% equals, and we're going to find out. Now you might know that means a quarter. So what's a quarter of 400? It means dividing 400 by 4, so that would be 100. But we're going to do it this way as well. So there are multiple ways to get the same answer. That's okay. We're gonna do it this way, but if you want to do it your way, that's fine as well. As long as you do the cubes, then you're good. Okay, so we've got 100, and we knew it would be that. All right, so $100 is donated to charity. Now, question three. The jacket costs $80. You earn a rebate worth 15% of the price. How much is the rebate? Do you care what that word means? It means you get money back, but do you even care? No, it doesn't matter. Not right now. Right now, we're just doing the classic cube. It's asking you what 15% of 80 is. That's it. So if you see a word you don't know, who cares? Because now I can't even read it anymore. All right, so they're not asking for the total. They're just asking for a rebate, which is 15% times 80. So 80 times 0.15 is equal to, let's find out, 80 times 0.15 is 12. So the rebate is $12. All right, and then question 5 looks a little bit tricky, so I just want to do that one as well together. So circling 45, circling 100, what percent of the questions did the question get correct? Oh, and then we've got out of. That's a little different from of. What we actually have to do is divide. That's what out of means. So of means multiply. Out of, or actually, I think what matters a lot more than that is that it's looking for the percent. But I don't want to circle, I don't want to box percent because then you get confused with like 25% of the money. So I think out of is more important to remember. Let's divide. So we've got 45 divided by 100 equals, oh, I already did it. So we've got 45. I just wasn't recording, so I have to do it again. But that's okay. So 45 divided by 100 is 45%, 0.45. And you might already know that because all percents are out of 100. For instance, if he got 10 points out of 100, he would get 10% right. But we'll just do it anyway. You could also write 45 divided by 100. It just depends on what your preference is. I prefer it like this, but I know some people get super confused. They like it this way. Do it that way. I don't care. Do it however you want. Just get 45%. Cool. So go ahead and finish the rest. Again, out of divide, of multiply. And because these are percents, we're not going to find like a bunch of words that mean like add, subtract, whatever. We're just doing percents here. So don't look for words that don't exist. Yeah, you got this. See you tomorrow.